Chemical reactions. We have learned that different types of changes take place in our surroundings. These changes may be chemical or physical. A chemical change that involves transformation of one or more substances into new substance with entirely different properties is called a chemical reaction. So what happens in a chemical reaction? During a chemical reaction, the chemicals bond between the atoms of reactants break and the rearrangement of atoms and formation of new bonds takes place and the new make a new substance. The attractive force that holds the atom of a molecule together in a compound is called a chemical bond. When methane comes to contact with oxygen, the chemical bond between the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen break, and the atoms rearrange themselves to form new chemical bonds between carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. Thus, methane reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. The substance that take place in a chemical reaction is called the reactants. In a given chemical reaction, such as methane and oxygen are reactants, and new substances that are formed as a result of a chemical reaction are called the products. In the above chemical reaction, water and carbon dioxide are the products. A chemical reaction is represented by a chemical equation. The reactants are written on the left side and the products are written on the right side of the arrow. When does a chemical reaction take place? A chemical reaction takes place when one or more following conditions are fulfilled, such as close contact, solution form, presence of light, supply of heat, electricity, pressure, and presence of catalyst. The first one, the close contact. A reaction takes place when the reactants come close in contact with each other or mixed together. For example, when sodium comes in contact with water, it reacts violently to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen, which is 2Na plus 2H2O is equal to 2NaOH plus H2. Solution form. Some chemical reactions takes place only when the reactants are mixed in a solution form. For example, when sodium chloride solution mixed with a silver nitrate solution, the white precipitate of silver chloride and sodium nitrate solution are formed, which is NaCl solution plus AgNO3 solution is equal to AgCl plus NaNO3.